Hello everyone, Manya Talwar this side. I hope you all are fine and happy at your home. Today I am going to share something about school. I'm going to share a lot about it, like what school is actually meant for and what is the literal life of different categories of students in school. Okay, so let's start discussing about the actual meaning of school and what actually school is meant for. So, school is an organization in which usually students less than the age of 18 come to study, learn a lot about practicals and theoretical sciences, learn about history and culture, sports, and also about basic manners and good qualities what a responsible student must have. School is meant for students to study, have good friends, play with friends, and have a good time with all the people they meet there. That is, their teachers and their friends. Now, let me talk about those students who are those so called toppers. For them, usually, as we all see, they used to be in a very calm manner. They are usually very quiet. They don't talk much, and it seems to be like they are having a kind of a very boring life. It's not really it. They are enjoying the activities they perform while being in school. They are very much focused and they usually used to have a very well mannered social circle. So simply we can say that they are totally following the means on what a school is made. But we have to note the fact that they are eventually making their future by doing so. Now here comes the category of students which are usually called the average level students in school and the society. There were the students who usually used to be the victims of bullies in school. Not all of them, but some of them, because we know that the most of the toppers used to be the only ones who used to report against any sort of bully or something. Moreover, they usually don't be very socialized. So they have nothing to get with most of the average or any other sort of students. They are usually much more socialized than the so-called toppers, but they usually tend to find a good social circle. So we can say that they work hard till the extent they think they can do. They usually used to have a very funny and interesting friend circle, and you will usually find them disturbing the class. They are those people to think the school as the playground. You will see them playing with the paper balls and airplanes. They are the most notorious ones with the paper balls and airplanes. They are the most likely to get beaten and getting punishments by their teachers. But it is usually assumed that these kind of students enjoy their life to the fullest, and it's true for almost all the students of such kind. These students do not focus on scoring marks, but they mainly focus on creating beautiful memories. But these students are the only ones who really enjoy their life from the beginning to the end. So we have got to some conclusions, not a single, but three conclusions. First is we must focus on studies and also enjoy the life with friends, considering that self-discipline is important too. Second is that every kind of student enjoy their life, and if you don't, then you must. And the last, one must always consider school as the medium of making future and must focus on the objective of learning new things and also work hard for making a better future in life. That's all from my side. Thank you so much.